Hi folks, it's Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another great product. This is from Ultraloq. It's the U-Bolt Pro, and this thing is currently up for marketing on Indiegogo. So you can go to check it out. It's the U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. There'll be a link on the Chris Voss Show and on the YouTube video you can take a click on, so you can go to this and order yourself one up if you're interested. This thing is pretty multifaceted and featured at all the different things that come in with it. The ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt, as it were. It's got true wireless and phoneless entry. You can manage and control and access from anywhere. And they're doing really good with their campaign on Indiegogo. It basically is a unit where you can get several different variations. You can get a keypad that's on the front and a lock that's on the back. That's pretty standard operating procedure. It's a one piece, technically two pieces that are one piece of a function. You can also get what they have is a bridge, where it's a bridge that plugs in, that communicates with your unit, with your internet, and all that sort of good stuff. So you can get several different combos. Looking at their website, you can check that out as well. They claim that it's the most secure and most versatile deadbolt ever created. It's got dual 128-bit AES dynamic key encryption and premium alloy construction. It is built really well, I can tell you that. It is unbreakable, both physically and digitally. So that's what they claim. Never get locked outside with the 6 ways to unlock with or without your smartphone. You can use anything to unlock this within the same form of 6 ways. The smartphone app you can use on your phones. Fingerprint you can use to unlock. Passcode, proximity unlock, magic shake, where you can shake your phone a certain amount of times that you program into the app, and mechanical key. It literally, on the touch button face with all the numbers for the codes that you can unlock in the fingerprint area, you can literally pull that out, and behind it sits a key lock. Normal key lock, you insert your key, away you go. Pretty cool. So you've got lots of different ways you can unlock this thing. And of course, inside the app, it actually has a proximity sensor where it can tell where you're at, whether you're leaving the home or close to the home. It'll lock the door behind you. When you come home, it will turn the it'll unlock it, etc., etc. 360-degree live fingerprint ID unlock. You can add random passcode digits to protect your passcode from prying eyes. Let's say, for example, you put in a 4-digit code. It's let's say, for example, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. What you can do to make sure that people don't look over your shoulder to see what your code is you can add different codes to both the front and back end of 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. So I could add 0, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. You get the gist. As long as that 1, 2, 3, 4 is in there, the unit's going to identify those. So if I have somebody watching me, looking over my shoulder, whatever, that I don't want them to know my code, that's one way you can take and do that. I think that's pretty smart, really, when it comes down to it. It claims to unlock the door when you first come home and when you lock after you close it. It does auto lock after I close it. I'm still working on trying to get it to unlock when I come home. I've got the proximity set up, and I just haven't gotten to work right. So it's either something I'm doing or maybe something you need to update in the app. You can share temporary access and monitor from anywhere in the world with the bridge. And you can unlock the door with a tap of a button. You just push it and away you go. You can magic shake your phone to open without unlocking your phone. And you got the mechanical key for override, external micro USB, power compatible, that's on the keypad face, so you can charge that baby up if you need to. And of course, it's got batteries inside the back end of it as well. And you can connect the Ultraloq bridge for smart home integrations and other smart functions. Works with IFTTT, works also with Google Home and Alexa. So how about them apples? So when you connect the Ultraloq bridge for smart home integrations and other smart features, you can have smart notification, unauthorized attempts alert, remote access, low battery alert, and voice command. Great for families, so you know which family member is coming and going through your home, whether your kids are home, etc., etc. Probably nice to know if your kids are home, if they got home from school, and you know they're safe and sound in the house. Airbnb hosts, this would be great for them too. You can, of course, give people multiple codes. Landlords and renters. Security control from your door from anywhere in the world where you have Wi-Fi, I guess. You can share temporary fingerprints or e-keys with a set schedule for like a cleaning crew, people that are maybe walking your dogs and stuff like that, or grant one-time access to a friend to come up, pick stuff up. You can get this on the iOS devices or on your Google devices, and it works pretty darn cool with remote entry and managing your users. Protects your data in the 128-bit AES via embedded hardware coprocessor. And the second layer of protection is the dynamic key. This key code is randomized for every single data transfer. Even if somebody were able to capture the AES encrypted data, the dynamic key protection will make it impossible for them to unlock your door. So how about them apples? Let's get to the final part. The installation. They do claim the installation is easy. I did not have that experience, to be quite honest with you. In fact, the experience I had was not great. It took us about 5 different times to disassemble, reassemble, disassemble, reassemble, work with our customer support system. I was pretty much ready to pull my hair out by the time we got done. I think there's some functional problems with inside the device on how it mounts the door, the wire that comes in from the outside of the cable thing, and I think it either gets twisted around the knob or whatever. So we just had to make sure that we tinkered around with it and reinstall it 5 different times to make it work. I think they could have done a better job engineering it, and that's my opinion on it. Other than that, once we got it to work after 5 installs, I've been fairly impressed with the product and enjoying it. I really like it to be in my garage because when I come home in my garage, I can just use my fingerprint to unlock it really quickly because usually I'm fighting with my dogs that come in the car, groceries and everything else. Like I said, I still haven't, for some reason, gotten it to unlock when I come home, even though I believe I've done everything I can in the app. It is still a product that is production, so it's still in Kickstarter. They're still building this out and probably making changes, improvements to it as it goes. I've talked to the guys of the team, and they do seem very competent, and should put forth a good product. And I've reviewed a number of Ultraloq products in the past and always been fairly impressed with their products. And this one, I mean, it is pretty feature rich, 6-in-1 smart deadbolts. And if you look at their website on Indiegogo, there's a lot of stuff that's on there that they've thrown in here. So I think you'll love the product, and I think it will improve as time goes by. Be sure to give it a look-see and check it out, and we'll see you next time.